everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and today I am going to do a product review on my new Curtis Stone Dura electric griddle. My mom's a bit of a lunatic, and I was at her house the other day, and before I was leaving, she says, "Oh, come here. I forgot I bought you something for your birthday and Christmas, and I want you to have it now because I know you can use it." Meanwhile, my birthday is December 15th, and of course, you know when Christmas is. I'm like, "Ma, it's August. You're going to give it to me now?" And she says, "Yeah, yeah. This way it's one less thing for me to wrap." I'm like, "Well, then what am I going to have for Christmas? I'm not going to have anything to open up." "Oh, I'll just buy you a whole bunch of little things, but this is going to be your big gift." I'm like, "Whatever." So I take it home, I open it, and this is what it is. So I absolutely love it. I used to work in the deli for like 26 years. And it's like cooking on the big grill at the deli. It really is huge. If you have a big family, you can cook so much on this grill at one time that it's ridiculous. As you can see, I'm making breakfast. I only have 4 sausage links on it and 2 eggs right now. And if you were to put the sausages all the way up in the corner, touching the top and the side, going all the way down, and then another row, you can clearly fit like 30 sausages. I'm not even kidding. And then have the whole other side just for like 10 to 12 eggs. You could do like 2 whole pounds of bacon on this. If you were doing hamburgers, I'm sure you could fit 12 to 15 hamburgers. It really is gigantic. So anyhow, yeah, so it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. And I had made pork chops on it the night before. And I said, "Oh, let me try my hand at breakfast." So I had it low. It goes from minimum to warm to keep things warm on the grill. And then it goes from the degrees. It goes like 200, 250, 300, 350, 375, 400, 450, and then max. So when I was doing my pork chops, you'll see the pictures at the end of this video. I had it on max because I was getting a nice sear on them. And after I seared them on both sides, which literally took only like a minute and a half on each side because I heated up the grill really good before I put them on. And they were marinated in like a teriyaki garlic marinade. And they were absolutely delicious, but literally like a minute and a half on each side just to do the sear, and then I lowered it to cook them a little bit slower. So here I think I have this like between 250 and 300. I could have put it up a little bit higher, but you know, I'm just testing the waters with it, and so far I'm loving it. It works fantastic. I put butter on it to cook the eggs, and I know people are saying, "Oh my God, she cracked the yolks." Well, we don't like runny eggs. My husband doesn't like them. I don't like them. My dog doesn't like them because this egg sandwich here is for my husband to take to work. So it's 2 eggs, sausage and cheese, salt and pepper. And then I make myself 1 scrambled egg with just pepper. I love a lot of pepper. And, oh no, I did put salt on mine too. I'm trying to stay away from the salt a little bit, but I think I put salt on mine. And then with ham and cheese, 1 piece of cheese. And then I made 2 eggs fried for my dog. So anyhow, yeah, so I have it on like a little bit lower, but if you want to cook them faster, I'm sure you put it up to 350 and the eggs will cook quicker. But like I said, I'm just testing the waters with it, and I'm loving it so far. It works so well. And it's really big, so when I'm not using it, I put it up on top of my refrigerator. So I had a basket up there and another type of a grill, but I took them down, so this fits perfectly on top of my refrigerator. And trust me, I will be using it every morning for breakfast, and cooking steaks on it, cooking grilled cheese, cheeseburgers, hot dogs. Like, you could really make anything on it. And it really does feel like a grill from the deli. Like, I'm just loving it so much. And it heats up the whole entire surface, so no matter, even up in the corners, up to the sides, all the way down to the bottom. The whole entire thing gets hot. So it's not like it only gets hot in the middle and not around the edges. It gets hot everywhere. Now, my mother only orders stuff from either Home Shoppers, HSN, QVC, or Evine. After I post this video, I'll look to see where she got it, and then I'll put it in the description. I'll edit it and I'll put it in because I'm not sure where she got it. I think she got it from HSN because I believe HSN has Curtis Stone on their channel. But it's either one of those three places, either HSN, QVC, or Evine. So now I put the ham down for my egg sandwich. I'm still cooking my husband's sausages a little bit, just to get them cooked a little bit more. And I have one scrambled egg going here. And I didn't even put down any more butter. So I'm just going to put the eggs down. And like I said, you can cook so many strips of bacon, so many fried eggs. You could do pancakes on here, French toast. Like, I'm so excited to do French toast and pancakes. I think I'll do pancakes tomorrow morning. And I love pepper, so I kind of put a lot of pepper, but I'm going to mix it in with the eggs. And it just works so good. The pork chops at the end of the video, like I said, that I made, were the juiciest, the most delicious pork chops. I just marinated them for a while in some teriyaki with some garlic and it was actually teriyaki marinade from Larry's, and then I put some fresh chopped garlic in it and a little bit of black pepper and like a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and let that sit in the bowl in the refrigerator with the pork chops in it and the marinade, and then I just put them on the grill. Wait till you see the pictures of them. They came out so good. They were delicious. So yeah, it really, really cooks well. And my mother did say, she goes, oh, it's like when you were cooking at the deli on the grill, making all those egg sandwiches every morning and doing all your stuff on the grill. She goes, it's just like a grill at the deli, but smaller. The ones at the deli are gigantic. I would be doing 30 egg sandwiches at a time. But it really does hold a lot. I'm very surprised at how much stuff you can fit on it. Like I said, if I was to put like 3 packages of sausage going all the way down to the bottom, I could probably fit like 13 and then do another roll that's 30 sausage. I can even have some strips of bacon next to that, and then the eggs next to that. Like, you could really cook a lot at one time. It's ridiculous how much can fit on this grill. And this is great. You can use it all year round. It's more like a griddle, so it's not a grill. You're not going to get grill marks. You like, or the taste of an outside grill, like charcoal. But yeah, so it's a griddle. But like, I can't wait. I love grilled cheese with tomato soup. And I make patty melts with hamburgers. So you cook the burger a little bit, and then you put butter on both sides of rye bread, and you put that together with some cheese and some grilled onions, and then you grill the bread on the grill, and it's called a patty melt. They make them in the diners, and I was making them for my husband. He loves that with French fries, like for a dinner meal, and I was doing them in my cast iron skillet. But hey, I cannot wait to make one of them on this. So it gets everything nice and brown, and oh, it's just so good. I just figured I'd do a quick video and show you how nice it cooks. So there's my egg sandwich I made. Now I'm going to put 2 eggs on for my dog. I don't feed him eggs every day, but I try to make him a little bit of a breakfast every now and then. Otherwise I would just give him like a bite of my sandwich if I don't finish it. My husband does the same thing. But, yeah, so I'm just making him 2 eggs. And then I put a piece of cheese on it for him when I put it in the dish. But look how nice those eggs are sizzling. You can make, now, if you were to take a lid to a pan and just put it over the eggs with a splash of like cold water underneath it, it would steam like all the white part, and you could have sunny side up eggs, perfectly cooked. You could just do a nice little one split for like a couple, like not even 30 seconds, and have easy, perfect eggs. But like I said, we don't like eggs undercooked, so we like everything well done on the eggs. So, but yeah, this is a great, great, great Christmas present, a birthday gift. Like I said, that's what my mother got it for me for. And especially if someone loves to cook and they have a big family, you can make everybody's breakfast all at the same time. So everybody can eat at the same time. Like, it's absolutely wonderful. I did sauteed mushrooms and onions on it. So I have pictures of that coming up. So I'm just really very excited about this grill, and I give it a total 5-star. I give it a big thumbs up. So if you're looking for something like this is the one to get. Trust me. I'm gonna be 55 years old, and I was cooking in the delis from when I started, when I was 16 years old in high school, and this works absolutely perfect. See, nice egg sandwich. That's my husband's with the sausage. And this is just the dog's eggs that I'm finishing up. And then that's the end of the video. Well, except for the pictures. So you're going to see the pork chops that I made. They were outrageous. And then the sausage, the pictures of the sausage and the mushrooms. I mean, the mushrooms and the onions. And I threw in a couple of whole cloves of garlic in that, just so that the mushrooms and the onions get the flavor of the garlic, but they came out wonderful too. So there's my little video of this product, and it works fabulous. And like I said, after the video, after I post it, I'll go on, I'll call my mom and ask her where she got it, or I'll go online and look and tell you how much it was. I think it was maybe $100, she said. She probably got it as a today's special value, so it probably cost a little bit more than that. I don't remember if she said $1.99 or if she said $99, but I'm sure it was like $100. But it's well worth it. I'm going to be using it every day, so I know it's worth it for me. And it's great for a big family. You can cook so many hamburgers and hot dogs and grilled cheeses all at one time, like phenomenal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit that notification bell. And I have a lot more videos coming up on fall decor, soaps, and a few other things. So stay tuned, and everybody have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye now. Oh, I did forget to tell you how easy it cleans up. So right now it's still hot, and you just take a wet paper towel, and that's all you do is wipe it down. It cleans so easy. When I first used it, I was trying to take the, take the whole grill part off, but it doesn't come off. It's actually attached to it, but that's all you have to do is wipe it down with a paper towel, and then with a wet paper towel, the drip tray in the front comes right off, and that you can throw in your dishwasher, or you can wash by hand, and then it goes on so easily. But yeah, the cleanup is so super easy. And that's a nice sized drip pan. If you're doing a lot of hamburgers and you have a lot of grease or a lot of bacon, there's plenty of a drip tray there to hold everything, as you can see. And so I'm just wiping it down, and literally not even a minute to clean it. Everything just cleans so nice. So yeah, so there you go. Awesome grill. Alright everybody, thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. I got a lot of videos coming up soon. A lot of DIYs on fall and Halloween and Christmas stuff. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.